I'm in my prime, optimist, Sagittarius, so you know I'm an optimist. Man, keep it all real, I'm a prophetess. So at least you took an L off your bucket list. It's time to make hits and it's time to diss. How you still diss?
Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you guys with this hair tutorial to show you guys how I achieved this quick wig. Yeah, I just put this on, literally popped it on fresh out the cap. I'm gonna show you guys how you can get salmon hair in like 10 minutes, girl. Like, I kid you not, like 10 minutes. So if you guys want to see, keep on watching. If you are also not subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button before we even get started, and thumbs up this video. If fresh on, you like the look, you like my hair and makeup or something, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, alright? Turn on your post notification them so you get the notification every time I put out a video, because this summer I go lit, it I go turn up. So just click the bell. Yeah, the bell allows you to get all the notifications for every single video that I put out. So click the bell, turn on your post notifications, and in the meantime, follow my Instagram and my Snapchat and all the little thing there. The links will be down below in the description bar as well. So yeah, let's get right into the video.
Alright guys, so this is the wig we are working with today. It's this nice ombre salmon wig. I'm gonna give you all the details pretty soon. So I just have my hair in these jumbo flat twists, and that's gonna be the base for my wig today. I'm just gonna take the wig out the package so you guys can see everything that's in there, and this is exactly how it was shipped. So that's the wig, and I also got a complimentary wig cap. So I'm just gonna secure my hair down first, like it's in the flat twist, so I just want it to be able to lay as flat as possible. You know, you guys can do the cornrows if you wish, because I think that might be easier for some people, but for me, I just had to flat twist it down because that's what I knew how to do with the time I had. Remember, we're working with 10 minutes, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna put the wig cap on now, and this wig cap is a open-ended wig cap, so it's just like a weaving cap more so than a wig cap. I'm just gonna pull it back a little bit so that it is, of course, as discreet as it possibly can be. So I want it like not on my hairline, but just like pulled back a bit so that it barely shows, just so that it secures my hair down. And then we're gonna go for the wig. All right, we're gonna take that hairnet off, and this is the color. I love the color right off the bat. I'm in love with the color and the texture of the hair. It's a bit tangled, but that's what happens when, you know, hair is traveling from literally across the world. So it has a lace front. I'm going to use my scissors and just snip that off, and then I'm gonna add some foundation to the lace front just to make it a little bit more discreet, preferably a foundation that is your shade, of course. And I'm just going to stipple that onto the lace in different motions, like stippling motions, circular motions, just to make sure that it's properly blended into the lace. I want, like, whenever you part that lace anywhere, you will just see your shade, if you get what I'm saying. So it will be as camouflaged as possible. So yeah, you guys can actually see the difference right there. It's way more blended. It doesn't have that ashy look, and since it's synthetic hair, it's not like I could bleach the lace. Okay, I'm gonna pop the wig on now and just position it the way I want it to be in terms of how I want it to lay. It's a center part, so I'm just gonna leave it as is for the initial install, and I'm going to close the clasp in the back so that it's more secure to my head, and just continue to position it until I'm comfortable with how it is positioned. But I love the texture, it's very nice. But I'm just gonna put it in a ponytail so that I can finish camouflaging my part. That part right there is very important, so I'm gonna add some more foundation to the parting, and I'm kind of extending that part out to my own hairline so that it's even more blended, if you get what I'm saying. So it kind of looks like an invisible part type of thing. So yeah, then I'm just going to use my comb, and I'm doing everything to make sure that that part is laid, guys. I'm going to take my Morphons Ashan Ultra Hair Wax, and I'm just going to use some of that mainly on my hair, just to create some baby hairs in the front, just to make that part blended, sis. Like, I need it to be very blended. It is a synthetic wig, so you of course need it to look as natural as possible, but that is it. That's all I do. And you can brush the hair out if you want, but that's it, sis. You're done. Like, that's it. 10 minutes.
Alright guys, so I quickly hop off camera to change my makeup, because this is actually orange, but it doesn't look orange at all, not even in person. It looks more like pink, so I would say it's more of like a salmon color. But orange was a color I requested. I don't know if this is what the orange looks like, but a damn off, so I don't really know what one with that, but okay. So this hair is from Xtrend Hair, www.xtrendhair.com, and I'm gonna have the link down below. This unit is currently under $50. I think it's $34. It's the Xtrend synthetic lace front wig, long body wave, and it comes in other colors, and it's a cosplay style wig. My phone is on the power bank, guys, because it's dying, but this is how the hair looks. The hair is 24 inches, but it does come in, I believe, 12 inch as well. So if you don't want it this long, then you can get it shorter. This length is like almost down to, it's like a little bit below the middle of my back. That's where it is. I would show you guys, but I'm wearing a tube top. Can't show it like this. But yeah, it's pretty long. Pretty long, but I love it. So it is a synthetic wig, but it does have a lace front. I don't know if you guys can, I just cut the lace off where I needed it to be cut off. It of course comes with a center part, but you definitely can position the part to where you want it to go. I'm not a big fan of center parts, so I'm definitely going to be changing the way I position this, but for the initial review and unboxing this and everything, I wanted to show you guys really quick how you could do something bam bam and then just go, you know what I mean? All I did, as you guys could see, I just put a little bit of foundation on it, you know. With the human hair and all of that, you could, you know, bleach the closure, do all of that. The only thing is, when I was trying to tweeze this, it's easier to just use a foundation because of the way the cap is constructed. It will give you less of a fight if you just put the foundation on it instead of instead of trying to tweeze it out. But guys, I don't know, I'm addicted to doing this. Is that wrong? I'm sorry if it's annoying, but the hair feels nice. Like, it feels good. It feels good to do this too. But yeah, and they say this is orange, but as I said, it looks more like salmon or like a pale pink. But I definitely love the color. Shantania Beckford always inspires me to try like new colors and shit to see how it would look on me, and I love this color. It's really pretty. As I said, the only thing I would be changing when I wear this again is the position of the part. Definitely going to take it like to the side or something, or just make a new part altogether on the side, because it is a lace front, as I told you guys. So yeah, the hair is very light. It does tangle a little bit, so like I end up having to like comb it through, but it's really nice for a $34 wig, and the color is very pretty, and it's available in other colors, so you have options, you know what I mean? If you do want this in like I think they have red, pink. The pink one is very gorgeous, and it comes in, I think, gray or something like that, but it comes in other colors, guys, and the other color options are very cute. So also they have other types of hair on the site as well, so if you guys want to go ahead and check it out, please do. The link, of course, down below in the description, so you can just go ahead and click it, and it takes you over to the website, and the direct link to this unit also is going to be down there. A little bit of specs when you're ordering from the company. The processing time is 1 to 2 work days, and the shipping ranges from 3 to 5 days, well, work days, or between 10 and 20 work days, depending on how close or far away you are. That will dictate, you know, how soon you get the product shipped. But personally, the time was pretty okay. From when they contacted me to when I got the unit, it wasn't that long of a wait, and I do believe it's coming from very far. Don't quote me, because I don't know really how far it's coming from, but it's a good distance, and I'm all the way in Jamaica, so you guys know whatever is within the month is fine. Yeah, so just a little bit of information if you guys were wondering how long shipping took. I have worked with them before. If you guys have not seen the pink ombre Kanikalan crochet braid install, I'm gonna link it up top so you guys can go ahead and watch that if you haven't seen it yet. But definitely, guys, anything that I did not mention, I will have down below in the description bar, so just check it before you guys leave. So it's summer, you know, you do want to try like new stuff, and I think this is the perfect time to do that, like the summertime. So that's why I went ahead and picked this color. So yeah, finally got the chance to make the video. My makeup is all pink and glowy and peachy, and you know what I mean? I love this makeup look. This is gorgeous, and it complements the hair very well. Yeah, sidebar. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys liked this quick little video just to show you guys this unit that I'm rocking. Again, the company is Xtrend Hair, so just check them out at www.xtrendhair.com. the link down below in the description. Turn on your post notifications, girl, because this summer is about to be lit. Just getting started. All I really need is time to edit and film. That's it, because I have loads of content for you guys, so just stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye. Mwah.